the snap string. Today I'm going to be doing up a Gordon Ramsay style hamburger. Well, I'm going to make it into a patty melt. We're using Texas toast, and I will toast them up a little bit first. Then I'm going to put some spiced up butter on it, and then I'll finish toasting them. And I'll be coinciding with cooking the meat. Now what you do with the meat is you sear it in a frying pan on both sides for a couple of minutes apiece. Then you put them all together and stick them in the oven. Then while that's happening, these will probably be getting done, and then I can start the melted cheese portion, which you put the cheese in the frying pan, let it caramelize a little bit, stick your bun on it for about 20-30 seconds, give it a twist and pick it up, and it stays right on your bun. But anyway, that'll be that. And so now we'll go to the this is the first phase. Okay, next. You got to season up the meat now.
Another turtle shell. Andre is fairly confident this bone right here is a dinosaur rib. So we're gluing it to preserve it for extraction and transport later. So this area right here is where we have left extract. And while I was searching, I saw another bone.
Onion powder, salt, pepper, onion powder. Garlic powder. Some roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Crushed red pepper. A little bit of garlic pepper. Eggs. Then you mix that up real good. Okay, now I've been frying these burgers about 2 minutes on both sides, so you're not fully cooking it. Stick them on the oven pan. Put your next ones in there. Then we'll do them for 2 minutes on each side, and put them on there. Then while those are cooking in there for 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, like you would do meatloaf. Then I'll put some onions in the meat grease and saute them up. And then next thing we'll do is we'll go into the burgers. Oh no, actually I'll be doing some cheese up in there. And we'll put them in and take the cheese up on the Texas cheese. Okay, well, I'll see you in a second. Next. All right. That did not go the way I wanted it to. Oh man. Save it, save it, save it. Good save, Ron. I made that one thinner for you. Put some onions in here, saute them. I got butter in there. Oh yeah. Let me get a picture of that then. And we done buttered the toast, and it's back in the oven. So that's probably about done. One, yeah, right over here. Then butter these up. All right. Well, that'll do it for this scene. Next, just get you a little bit of cheese here, sharp cheddar. Stick it like so. I think we'll take up a good piece of the bread. Let it caramelize a little bit. See it, see it, see it. Voila. That's how you do that. Come over here and get a view of it. You got your caramelized cheese, and that's the way that turns out. All right. Next. Okay. Got the burger done. And got your sauteed onions, caramelized buns, chipotle mayo, and there's your patty melt. And that'll do it today here on the Snap String. So always remember, make things around you brighter, because the world will take care of itself as long as you make things brighter around you. Love y'all, and you have a delicious day. Bye-bye.